Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the profound meaning behind the 22 verse of Surah Al-Baqarah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذي جعل لكم الأرض فراشا والسماء بناء وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون.
Translation: He who spread the earth and made the sky a roof for you, and sent down water from the sky, and then produced many fruits for you to eat through that water, then do not intentionally associate with Allah. الَّذِي جَعَلَ لَكُمُ الْأَرْضَ فِرَاشًا وَالسَّمَاءَ بِنَاءً, who spread the earth for you and made the sky a roof. In this verse and the verse above it, Allah Ta'ala has described His blessings. Number 1, bringing creation into existence from nothingness. Number 2, creating the heavens and the earth. Number 3, providing the sustenance of the creators from heaven and earth. Number 4, to send down rain from the sky and to make plants grow from the earth. When every single moment and every moment of a person's life is impressed in the blessings of Allah Ta'ala, how ungrateful is to leave the real honor and worship someone else. In the same way, who neglecting the remembrance of such a gracious God is also very ungrateful.